In the last video, we tested the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G in terms of its liquid resistance and the build quality bend test. In this video, we will focus on the quality of the Corning glass protection for its drop impact and scratch resistance. Hopefully it survives where other devices have failed.
We're going to drop it twice for low drop resistance and then 4 high drops from different angles. The last shatter failure we had, unfortunately, was the V27 Pro. We hope that the relatively heavy 208.4 grams Redmi Note 12 Pro It's time for the 4 high drops. First drop on the bottom. Looks like a slight mark at the left. Next, second high drop at the top edge. Seems to have landed right at the left corner. We'll get back to the damage it caused at the end of the test. Next, the high danger drop from the camera unit, glass backside. No shatters or other damages, things seem fine at this stage. Next, the finale high drop on the display side that you have been waiting for. Will the 12 Pro Plus survive? Looks like the display has managed to survive, though there are ugly dents and marks at the bottom edge, and especially at the top side, where a small plastic part has literally come off. So you need to be careful and prevent that from happening. Now, onto the scratch test. On the display is the 15.93 megapixel front camera at f2.45 with a resolution of 4608 by 3456 pixels. On the triple camera system is the primary 200 megapixel Samsung HPX ISOCHEF sensor, a secondary 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera at f2.2, and a 2 megapixel third rear camera at f2.4 for macro photography. Xiaomi is continuing its good job of sticking with Corning Gorilla Protection, the highest quality brand and leader in glass protection at present. So we can have a certain level of confidence that the glass protection quality is the best we can possibly get at this price range. The same cannot be said about poor quality protections from other brands, sans oleophobic coating specially from BBK, failing the blade on a consistent basis with permanent marks.
As we had presumed earlier, the good quality of the glass protection on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G passes a scratch test as expected.